Welcome back to Seedmaster's online training videos. This module is going to cover software updates and file maintenance. As with most computer systems, the Viper 4 Plus and its ECUs require periodic software updates. There are different methods with which to update the software on both the monitor and ECUs, and these procedures are available on the Seedmaster website and the SM Connect dealer website as well. The software updates can be either done via a preloaded USB that you receive from Seedmaster, or if you would prefer, these monitors and ECUs can be updated via the Viper 4 Plus using a USB. If the system that you are using is strictly an ISO system, you will need what is referred to as a CAN tool that is purchasable through Seedmaster parts, and this CAN tool can then be hooked into the ISO system in order to download the appropriate update files onto the ECUs. As with software updates, periodic file maintenance with the system is very critical in order to preserve the performance of both the monitor and the ECUs. Periodic file maintenance will keep unwanted files clean off of the system and also mitigate the risk of losing important files like completed jobs and prescription maps. This is done by moving the jobs and any prescription maps after they have been completed onto a USB drive. To do this, you are going to plug in the USB drive, navigate to the File, Maintenance, and File Explorer side of your monitor, choose USB disk, and then move the files under what's called a grower farm field structure. And it is important to include a generate report and the shape files if you have been using prescription maps. Using the move function rather than the copy function will actually remove the files from the system. This is performing two functions. You are preserving the files, but also deleting them from the monitor while not losing them and storing them on the USB drive. For more information on Viper 4 Plus, software updates, and file maintenance, please visit the Ultra SR or Standard Operators Manuals. Thank you.